Somebody was like, do a car video with your ambient lighting while playing music. Colors, that's the brightness. It shows you. I lay down. It turns off. Full effect. Colors. So right now I got it on Red Moon, as you can see. And I don't know if it's multi. No, it's been in the same spot. So if I put it in multi-animation, it changes. Like it constantly changes. So we're just gonna vibe with my lights. There's so many colors. We got Color Flash, Glacier Blue, Sun Yellow, Dawn Blue, and then what's up, YouTube? Y'all subscribe.
That look good though.
Y'all subscribe.
Yeah. My sister.
Oh, what up, sis?
Mm-hmm.
What, bro? I don't want you gonna say nothing, dude.
Look at my lights.
No, she playing. She playing.
I'm gonna show them my lights.
Corey, I got you. I was just calling.
Look like, what the fuck you want, nigga?
Sister, she's playing with you. I be talking about you, Corey, about sister.
Look at my stuff, y'all.
Me and my sister don't look nothing alike.
We don't. You know what?
That's crazy because everybody's like
saying that.
I think it's just because our hair.
Nah, it's probably because both y'all heads hella fat. So like, they.
You call my head fat?
You just called your fucking head fat. Me too.
Now I know my forehead big.
Yeah.
Big. Nah, that motherfucker fat. You got a cranium on you.
Alright,
Corey,
now,
pull your shit back. Pull your shit back.
Dragging.
I got you, nigga. I can actually hide my shit.
Me too.
I can too.
You gotta put that hair over it to do it.
See, this is stupid. Okay. Bye. Okay, we're gonna finish our.
And then you got okay.
All right.
No,
I told you I still got it. Then to text that nigga tomorrow. I ain't stuck that nigga. All right, YouTube, what up? What YouTube video is this?
A playlist with my ambient lightings. And
They
just
can't
kind of
eat
vibe
this.
with me, chilling. You
But
chilling
I
with
need
me.
to get high.
But we vibing. Like how we doing?
Can
we
I
just
vibe
hanging
with the
out.
weed though? I
Yeah.
ain't even smoked today.
Okay.
Shit. Celebrity smoke.
Okay, but you is trying to get better. Healthy body, healthy. Ooh, I like this song. I'm gonna show my lights because y'all want to see my lights. You like this song?
If we locked in, ain't no switching.
Wait.
Oh wait, I'm gonna do. Bring the light back, Kiki.
I'm weak as fuck.
Okay, you can take it.
Look at the lights.
How do we not look alike?
What do you mean?
Corey said you was bad.
Oh, for real?
You don't remember me telling you that when they seen you on FaceTime?
No. We finna switch up on them. This ocean blue on your ass.
I didn't know it could switch up like
Yes,
that.
and animations.
It's giving like a calm, cool purple.
Okay, so let's do purple sky. Oh, also, let me show y'all this too. You can change it. Let me go back. You can change it to just
I look like I'm in this celebrity.
Aaron, look. Then you can just do
This right here. This what's the
What's up, YouTube? Back to the videos.
Can I pick a good song? It's gonna be like ooh wee, ooh wee. That one right there. It just is not done. Don't blame me. Ooh, purple. I wish y'all could really see him.
Here, we can let them see a little bit.
It's a vibe in here. It's a vibe. Y'all see my hand? Don't say no, cause you black. I'm weak as hell. It's like love when people like show what they're doing. This is what I'm doing, y'all. Snapchat. Y'all. Am I wrong? No,
I used to have a Kia.
Do me like that.
Got a dark skin girl down, had a
Why did
couple
you say
crazy,
you?
but she still
I used to have a key.
Cause this song is about me.
Alright. Play a game while we sit here just vibing.
What's the game?
Okay, have you seen that TikTok where they ask different questions like, who would you rather me be with right now? And I'll show you a picture of I think you should be with, and you show me a picture you think I should be with. You just ask different questions. Okay, so.
But I don't want nobody but one person.
If we locked in, you know, switching up.
I gotta see the first question I'm asking.
I can't wait to get my hair done. I'm gonna do a YouTube over that. So y'all go ahead and subscribe.
Okay, ready for the first question? Show a picture of a girl you do not fucking like.
That I don't like.
Mhm.
It's not.
I can't stand her because the shit she do or she did. So I got my picture ready.
I can say somebody that's
Or somebody you just don't.
grimy to me.
Yeah, like you just don't fuck with. You can't show the camera though. We just show each other.
I know. I seen this on TikTok.
And you should
But
know
I'm
her
not like
because
that.
I told you.
Okay,
I
you
told
ready?
you about this girl.
You ready?
Okay.
You go first, cause you got this game. No hard feelings to nobody.
Yeah.
If somebody like, you talking about me? No, I don't be in no mix. I don't know.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Ooh, I knew. Why do I feel like she be watching your page sometimes?
Hello.
I swear, I'll be like,
She do. We can talk about it later. We can talk about it later. We can talk about it later.
okay.
Oh, I got one. Somebody you regret getting with.
girl. Cause what?
Like not even like that, but like talking to, like just letting you get my energy.
How do I even get you a picture?
I don't know the Instagram name. Bitch, I got mine first.
No, I went first last time. You go first.
I'll tell you about it.
Okay.
Let me see. That was gonna be somebody else.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was gonna be one of the.
The first one.
Yeah.
A picture of a nigga you think you fumbled.
I fumbled. Oh, okay. I don't got nobody.
Me either. I just thought about it after.
I don't got nobody.
Don't have nobody.
Somebody who still won't leave you alone.
Let me see.
And then, shut up, this one. Took them all. You brother showed you.
He'll be coming like here and there. I'd rather see you with.
Same.
Somebody we would rather see you with.
You better say who I think it is. Shit.
Just do you. The game.
Oh, who I'd rather see you with?
Mm-hmm. I already got you.
Ariane.
Think hard and please think hard, wise. Like,
I don't have the picture.
Look them up.
I can't.
Why can't you?
I don't.
Like, look their name up.
I don't know how to spell their name.
All right, I'm gonna just show you mine.
Okay. Who is it? Who is it?
All right, chill.
Who is it? Who
Can
is
I let
it?
the camera see?
No, I want to see.
Can I let the camera see first?
Yeah, go ahead.
Don't look in.
Okay, I'm not looking.
Cause that's who you gonna see. Because your ass is gonna get dealt with. Okay. What?
I'm gonna
Just say his name.
Maurice.
For real, don't say that just cause he's my man right now.
It's just because y'all are too much alike.
Yeah.
Oh, what we should have did is a smash or pass.
Let's do it.
Celebrities though, because
No.
I only want one person.
I mean, stop. Just cause you don't look Does this take off?
Honey,
This little y'all. You turn him. Kiki, the video. What you got there?
like, follow me, boo. Follow me.
We got those.
Y'all, let's just look at my lights one more time before we get up out of here. Raw. I love my car. But y'all can go like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. Comment some more video ideas, period. I already got some. And follow me on the gram, Kiana Jernay.
Follow me.
Oh yeah, my sister. She was in my last video. Y'all gonna see her some more.
I was lit as fuck. I was the rawest, the realest in that video, telling the truth.
Right.
And you know.
Do that. Let's get